In this video, we will discuss about the reflexive, symmetric and transitive relations. First of all, a reflexive relation. A reflexive relation means a relation. If a relation is defined on a set, if R is odd, R is defined on A. If R is defined on A and every element of this set A is related to itself, means if we take any element of the set A, then that is related to set itself, means if the element A belongs to A and for all A belongs to A, we have A belongs to R. ठीक है कि for every element of A, okay, A means this Cartesian this ordered pair is belongs to R, means a element has itself as a image. Okay, image of an element is the element itself. अगर किसी भी एलिमेंट्स की इमेज वापस वही मिल जाए उस रिलेशन में, तो दैट टाइप ऑफ रिलेशन इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन. सपोज वी टेक एन एग्जांपल. Okay, see, we have a set A and that is 1, 2, 3, and one of the relation is defined on this set. Okay, and that relation is what? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3. So, as you see in this relation, that 1 is image of 1, here 2 is image of 2 and 3 is image of 3. Means the every element has itself as a image. Means this relation is called symmetric relation. कहने का मतलब यह है कि 1, 1 होना चाहिए, 2, 2 होना चाहिए, 3, 3 होना चाहिए. मीन्स सारे एलिमेंट्स जो है उनकी इमेजेस इटसेल्फ होनी चाहिए. उनकी इमेजेस दूसरी भी हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, चलेगा, लेकिन इटसेल्फ जो है उनकी इमेजेस होनी चाहिए. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ रिलेशन इज नोन एज सिमेट्रिक रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन. इस टाइप के जो रिलेशंस होंगे वो रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशंस होंगे. सपोज वी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. एक और अगर हम एग्जांपल लें, वी टेक अ सेट ए एंड दिस सेट ए इज व्हाट? सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर. If this set is set of natural number and we define one of the relation is such that, okay, A plus B is belongs to A. Okay, means we take the two numbers from this set and add these two number, we will get again, okay, the number from this set. Okay, means A is natural number, B is natural number, obviously the sum of two natural number is also natural number. So here also 1 is image of 1 because 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is natural number. 2 is image of 2, okay, because 2 plus 2, 4, 4 is natural number. So in this example, or this relation is what? Reflexive relation. Okay, so what we write? For all A belongs to R, here A belongs to, for all A belongs to A, A belongs to R. Means for every elements which are belongs to this set, दिस रिलेशन सेटिस्फाइड। ओके, सारे एलिमेंट्स जो कि इस सेट से होंगे उनके लिए ये रिलेशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है, मीन्स उनकी इमेज जो है वापस वही एलिमेंट हो रहा है, मीन्स दिस रिलेशन इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन। जैसे कि नाम से ही आप समझ जाएंगे, रिफ्लेक्सिव मतलब रिफ्लेक्शन। अब अगर आप मिरर में देखेंगे तो आपकी रिफ्लेक्शन आपको आपकी मिलेगी, ठीक है। तो जो एलिमेंट है उसकी रिफ्लेक्शन वापस वही आ जाए, तो दैट टाइप ऑफ रिलेशन इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन। नेक्स्ट, symmetric relation. As you know, the symmetry. Here, if we define a relation R on set A, relation R on set A, and if B is image of A, this is belongs to this relation, then if AB belongs to the relation R, then BA belongs to the relation R, then that type of relation is known as symmetric relation. It is for all, this is for all A and B belongs to the set A. Means for all element belongs to the set A. For all elements belongs to the set A. Means इस सेट के सारे एलिमेंट्स के लिए अगर ये सेटिस्फाइड हो रहा है, मीन्स B इज इमेज ऑफ A, देन A इज इमेज ऑफ B, then that type of relation is known as symmetric relation. Okay, for all A and B belongs to A, if AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R, then that type of relation is known as symmetric relation. Okay, let us see some of the example. Suppose we have a set A, and this A is set of even number. This is set of even natural number. Okay, we take an example of a set, and this set is of even natural number, or a relation is defined, and that relation is what? This R is equal to AB is such that A plus B is divisible by 2. Okay, so see, we define a set, we define a relation that A plus B means the first element and second element का जो sum है, sum of first element and second element of a ordered pair is divisible by 2. Okay, so if A B belongs to R, अगर A B belongs to R है, तो this imply according to the relation A plus B is what? Divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, then we can write it as a 2 into n. N is any natural number. Okay. So if A plus B is equal to 2n, then B plus A is also equal to 2n. ठीक है, कम्यूटेटिव रूल ऑफ एडिशन। अगर एडिशन में हम जो है उनके ऑर्डर चेंज कर दें तो आंसर आपको वही मिलेगा। ठीक है, तो B प्लस ए बिलोंग्स टू 2n, मीन्स B प्लस ए इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, और B प्लस ए इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 मीन्स BA belongs to the relation. So what we have, AB belongs to R, then we prove BA belongs to R. Means what? R is, this imply what?
So R is
R is
symmetric relation.
means what?
R is symmetric
Okay?
relation.
B एक ही इमेज है और
B is image of A
B
and
image
we
है।
prove
तो ये
A is image of B.
क्या होता
So
है?
R is
तो
symmetric
reflexive
relation.
हो जाएगा। Now the next one is transitive relation. If we consider a set which is defined on a relation relation R is on A, and if we take the three elements A, B, C belongs to A. If AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, this implies AC belongs to R. Then that type of relation is known as transitive relation. Means B is image of A and then C is image of B. If it is given, then this C is image of A. Then this type of relation is known as transitive relation. Okay. See, for example, we take set of triangles. We take an example of set, that is set of triangle, and one of the relation is defined here, R. R is such that T1 and T2. T1 and T2 are the two triangles. Okay, such that T1 is congruent to T2. T1 T2 के congruent है. Okay, means we take the two triangles T1 and T2. Okay, and where T1 is congruent to T2. Now we try to find out whether this relation is transitive or not. So first of all, we'll take the three elements, suppose T1, T2 and T3, which are belongs to A. Okay. Now, according to this relation, these two things are given. AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. Means what? T1, T2 belongs to R and T2, T3 belongs to R. Then we have to prove that if T1 belongs to, if T1, T3 belongs to R, then this will be what? Transitive. Means if T3 is image of T1. So if T1 is congruent to T2, if T1, T2 is belongs to R, means T1 is congruent to T2. And if T2, T3 belongs to R, then T2 will be congruent to T3. T2 is congruent to T3. Second. So from first and second, what we conclude? T1 and T3 both are congruent to T2. Means triangles which are congruent to the same triangles are congruent to each other. Means T1 will be congruent to T3. ये T1 T3 के congruent हो जाएगा और T1 T3 के congruent हो जाएगा तो ये relation satisfy करेगा. Means T1 T3, this implies T1 T3 will belongs to R. Okay, so what we take here, हमने क्या लिया था यहाँ? T1 T2 belongs to R, T2 T3 belongs to R, and what we prove? T1 T3 belongs to R. ये किसकी definition हो गई? Transitive relation की हो गई. So this imply this R is what? Transitive. Means this relation is what? Transitive. R is what? Transitive. A relation is called or is said to be equivalence if it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. If you prove a relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then that relation is known as equivalence relation. Now we will take few examples of equivalence relation. We take example 2 of our NCERT book. Here T is what? Set of all triangles in a plane with R a relation in T. It is given by R is equal to T1 T2 is such that T1 is congruent to T2. Okay, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. We have to prove that, or we have to show that R is equivalence relation. We have to show here this relation R is given by this is equivalence relation. Okay, so first of all we will prove it whether it is reflexive or not. See, every triangle is congruent to itself. Okay, here we have to show that T1 is congruent to T2. T1. Reflexive means the element has itself as a image. क्या होना चाहिए? ये एलिमेंट उसकी खुद की इमेज हो गई. तो every triangle is congruent to itself. Every triangle is congruent to itself. Means what? For all T1 belongs to the set T. Okay. T1 belongs to R. Means सारे एलिमेंट्स या कोई भी एलिमेंट्स हम ले लें, T1 की बजाय कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. Okay. So every triangle is congruent to itself. So if we take T1, which is belongs to the set T, okay, or all T1 which are belongs to the set T, so T1 has itself as a image. Means this implies R is what? Reflexive. Secondly, if T1 is congruent to T2, then obviously T2 will be congruent to T1. So, secondly, for all T1, T2 belongs to R. If T1, T2 belongs to R and T1, T2 belongs to, T, not R. T1, T2 belongs to that set T. T1, T2 belongs to R. Then according to the definition of relation, this T1 will be congruent to T2. If T1 is congruent to T2, so T2 will be also congruent to T1. T1 T2 के congruent होगा तो T2 T1 के congruent होगा. और अगर T2 T1 के congruent है तो ये relation क्या हो जाएगा? T2, T1 belongs to R. तो देखिए T1 T2 belongs to R था तो हमने T2 T1 belongs to R प्रूव कर दिया. Means this relation is what? Symmetric. Hence what we conclude? This implies R is symmetric. ठीक है, फर्स्ट यहाँ हमने प्रूव कर दिया, सेकंड यहाँ हमने प्रूव कर दिया, थर्ड ट्रांजिटिव प्रूव करना है. सो फॉर ऑल T1, T2, T3 belongs to the set T, T1, T2, if T1, T2 belongs to R and T2, T3 belongs to R, then what we have? T1 is congruent to T2 and T2 is congruent to T3. If T1, T2 belongs to R, then T1 is congruent to T2 according to the definition or rule of this relation. And T2 belongs to T2, T3 belongs to R, means T2 will be congruent to T3. See, T1 and T3 both are congruent to T2, means both are congruent to each other. Means T1 will be congruent to T3. If T1 is congruent to T3, means T1, T3 belongs to R. और ये हमें प्रूव करना था कि T1, T2 belongs to R and T2, T3 belongs to R, then T1, T3 belongs to R, means what? This R is ट्रांजिटिव. और R जो है आपका ट्रांजिटिव हो गया. मीन्स व्हाट वी प्रूव? R is what? This given relation is symmetric, reflexive, symmetric and transitive. हमने यहाँ प्रूव कर दिया कि this relation is symmetric, reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. If a relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then it will be equivalence relation. So this implies R is what? Equivalence relation. Next video we will discuss more examples on reflexive, transitive, symmetric equivalence relations.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो